guys, it's Nikki Soriano and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's really exciting because finally guys, I'm gonna be unboxing the 2020 16-inch MacBook Pro. If you guys are excited just like me, let's unbox this. Let's unbox my baby. Because honestly, I'm really excited to unbox this. I'm gonna be unboxing the 2020 16-inch MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. Finally, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So let's get started. So if you guys are wondering, my parents got this one at Power Mac Center at Trinoma. So I'm really excited to unbox this one. And then I have here the receipt. So if you guys are wondering, it costs around 140k plus. Let's now unbox this baby. Here it is. Yeah. There. And it says here, it's a 16-inch MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. And then it's silver. To be exact, the price is around 141,990 pesos. My parents got this one 3 days ago. Unboxed na. Yeah, I'll show you. Finally, here it is. So excited, just like me. Ayan na. Here we go. Are you ready? Since it's 16-inch, it's heavy. You're ready na. Slow motion. There. Oh no. Handle with care. Here it is, guys. Finally, here's the laptop. So this is what the packaging looks like. I'll show you guys up close. Anyway guys, so this is what it looks like. So here's the front. And then I'll be showing you guys what it looks like at the back with a few descriptions. So I'm gonna go take a video so you guys can see it. Guys, so I'm gonna be reading the description later on. So I'm gonna continue unboxing this one. I'm really excited to show you guys. There. Let's take it off. Let's take the plastic off now. Whoa! I'm ready for this MacBook Pro. I'll show you guys now. Ready? And here's the MacBook Pro. Wow! So I'll just set this aside. And then, so I'll take it off now. Anyway guys, so I got silver. So actually my first choice was space gray, but it was really hard to find. It's always out of stock. So even though it's silver, my parents got it for me. Anyway, it's a nice color, guys. Both are really nice. Cause actually the 2020 MacBook Pro was really hard to find, especially the 16-inch. So when they received a text message, they went to Trinoma right away. So anyway, I got the MacBook Pro in silver. Now, here's the laptop. Looking at it, it's so pretty. This 16-inch MacBook Pro is thicker, heavier, and bigger. So I don't think it's going to be travel-friendly. But it's fine for me. So I'm gonna be using this laptop to edit my vlogs and to do my schoolworks. So anyway, you have to be careful. And we're gonna put casing as well. I'll show you guys what's included. First, we have this one. I'll show you. So here's the charger. Looks like your typical charger for laptop. We got the charger, and what's included is the cable. Hey guys, so we got the cable here. Oh my gosh! Wow! I have to be careful. I finally got my MacBook Pro. It's heavier, so I'm kind of scared to like drop it. But then, up close. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. I'll be showing you guys. Ta-da! Wow! You have to be careful using this. I think I'm ready na for online classes. Oh, it's already on. And it's like downloading. You can see. So I'm just gonna set up. There's the language. I'm actually excited for the photo booth. Yeah. It's a touch bar, guys, as you can see. You can put the volume on, lower it.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. The right end of the touch bar.
Wait.
To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go click agree because it's just a license agreement. Okay, so I'm just gonna go create a computer account, so I'll be right back. Okay. Yeah, so it's just loading. Anyway, I heard lots of good reviews about this because of the touch bar, and I'll show you guys later. So it's telling me to say this, Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? It says here it will recognize my voice whenever I say hey Siri. Okay, we're done with that. Showing the basic information. And finally, yay! So looking at it, it has a wide screen. It's much better. It's perfect whenever I edit and even do my schoolwork. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the notes lang. Guys, I like the keyboard. It's called the Magic Keyboard because whenever I type, it's really comfortable. You can just type lightly. It has a quiet typing experience. So compared to the butterfly mechanism, it has like bad reviews. The customers didn't like it. The dust goes on top. Like it's really hard to type. So unlike this one, they made improvements, guys. And also, anyway, it has a separate escape button right over here. And as you can see, guys, here's the touch bar. Yeah, I think it's really cool. Let's try to click. This is for the Siri, the volume. You can tell. There we go. Anyway, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So here's the keyboard. And here's the screen. Okay. So that's it. I'm really happy. I'm really excited to edit my vlogs here. I just have to download. Yeah, anyway, we got the App Store here, so I'm gonna download now. And actually, I'm looking for the photo booth.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, I have the photo booth! I'm gonna go take my first selfie together with you. Finally, I think I'm gonna take selfies lang. It has HD camera. Yeah, so I'm just gonna choose. Okay, I'm ready to FaceTime na. So I like it. I'll take my first selfie. Okay guys, so finally, we have more things to say. Actually, this is better because it has... Anyway guys, so there's a Thunderbolt thing here at the side. So this is the left part. And I'll show you guys on the right side. Here. So the round one is for headphones and the other one is for USB. Also, it has 6-speaker sound system, so which is cool. So anyways, I'll be reading the description here. So this is a 16-inch MacBook Pro with True Tone technology. And then, it has headphone jacks, touch bar, and touch ID. If you're the type of person who like to FaceTime your friends and family, it has an HD camera. We are finally done. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. But then, before I end up this video, I would like to give a shout out. I would like to give a special thanks to Mr. RJ, Mr. Yusef, and Miss Tin from our Mac Center, Trinoma. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. So that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Follow my Instagram and Twitter, which is @Dominic_NKI. Okay, I had a great time unboxing this. And so that's it. See you guys on my next one. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.